I think this song is appropriate, suitable to everyone who believes in themselves, especially the performing artists who the society is trying to put a noose on their neck on a daily, making them feel like they ain't shit. Those who are not on the mainstream, those who are custodians of literature, culture, and the whole lot that requires one to stay authentic.
Lakini sasa sijui kama hizo lines zitatoshea within that. Labda itabidi
tunaweza ongezea
construct upya. Ona thina ni shikinene ha shikikiha.
Tabu
Ninge kwa rorore menero nene. Rorore menero lime. Rorore menero lime. Kirege akomerireria merireria thiko cigo matamenyete merireria dekeshi nuramai.
Siko sawa. Ama hauni halathira dekeshi nuramai.
Na wandra usia mai.
Eni akiriguo okay kulingana venye sasa ina flow. I think it should sound like that.
Okay.
Good. All good.
Yeah.
The hook is where I've put everything. The verses are just, expounding.
There we go.
This tongue is mighty. This tongue is on a quest. This tongue is about to gift me my hopes and dreams. And they shall, they here meaning the doubters, they shall regret the days they let pass while oblivious to the fact that, the roots is where the nourishment is. Or something like that. Here it means that a sailing ship can never throw an insult to the water beneath it, since it keeps it afloat. That's for me to the people that believes in me and my craft and supports it. Those who inspire me to do better. I can never disrespect them because the only way I can enjoy my winnings is being of a clean conscience.
Part 2 nataka kusema mara mbili, but this one is nika introduction like now you're breathing in ikuwe hivyo alafu saa itakuwa imejaa, it's okay. No like hali ndio wa kukunania now the rhythmic flow rate how matamenya temeriria inafaa kuwa like that.
Thank you for sticking to the very end of this presentation. If you love the content, kindly do let me know in the comments below. Let me know if I should make another episode of this. Cheers.